Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do mid-month reading for the month of October. I am doing for the sign Aquarius air sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Aquarius, your recent past. Okay, two cards I am not taking. Two of Wands, the World, Seven of Cups, Nine of Swords. See, in the starting of reading, this card is pulled out. Yeah, fell out. One person in this connection is in anxiety and depression. Definitely, they are in some confusion state. Some cycles are going and between both of you. Yeah, one person thinking about the other person a lot and in depression and in anxiety. One person in this connection maybe have, the other person in this connection maybe have options. I think there is no contact or less contact between both of you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Aquarius. This could be long distance relationship also. The World. Yeah, Four of Cups. The Hermit. Yes, there is no contact for some. Five of Cups. Separation also. Yeah, there are a lot of misunderstandings between both of you. One person hides something. I think your person maybe hides something from you. You are very sad for your person behavior, Aquarius. Definitely your person right now in hermit mode. They are not accepting the cup of love which is offered by you. The Hermit, definitely they are isolated themselves. They are spiritually awakening. They are not talking to you. They are not taking any actions towards you right now. I think there is separation between both of you. I think you or your person could feeling very sad for this. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Definitely lot of you there is separation. Your person near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Justice. Three of Pentacles. Oh, now they want to work on this relationship. They want second chance. The Strength. Six of Wands. They want to come back to you. They want to collaborate with you. They want reconciliation with you, and they want to work on this relationship, Aquarius. Justice with Three of Pentacles. They want second chance, and they want to work on this relationship. It's up to you. Definitely they are gaining their strength and they want to come towards you and they want success with you. Six of Wands. Yeah, I think you person also feeling very sad for the separation between both of you. That's why they want to come back to you and they want to work on this relationship. It's up to you, Aquarius, to give second chance to your person or not, depending upon your situation. Definitely they want success with you and they want second chance, because they want partnership with you. Under the deck, Four of Swords. I think you or your person could be in thinking about the other person a lot. I think it could be you, Aquarius, thinking about your person, not taking any action right now. You are waiting for your person to take action towards you. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed. Where it is headed. Connection. Okay. Innocence means the Sun. Wow, positive. I think you both will reconcile. Morality. King of Swords. Communication. Playfulness. Page of Wands. Totality. Five of Wands. Definitely your person may be fighting for your attention. Yeah, ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles. They want to work on this relationship. Yeah, some communication. Definitely your person will communicate you. They want to give clarity this time. They want to work on this relationship, or you maybe ask clarity this time. Definitely the misunderstandings are going to be resolved, because innocence means the Sun card. Definitely you both will reconcile. I think you maybe accept your person offer again. Some communication is happened between both of you. Definitely in connection card, the Sun is here. Definitely there will positive ending for some. Very few of very few of you not giving another chance to your person. It's up to you totally. If you want to give another chance, it's totally up to you depending upon your situation, but your person wants second chance. Definitely they want success with you. So this is the reading for your Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.